Okay, so like everyone's talking about AI these days, right?
Right.
But honestly, it's
Yeah.
like drinking from a fire hose.
Mm-hmm.
How do you even figure out what actually matters for your business?
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Especially in real estate.
Absolutely.
So that's what we're doing in this deep dive.
Okay,
We're
cool.
looking at 5 AI platforms that are like totally changing the game for real estate.
Wow, 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
At Peak Tidio, right? Homes, Chat Fuel, and Likely.ai.
Okay.
These things can like write property descriptions, blog posts, social media content
Seriously.
better than like a lot of humans.
I've heard about this. Yeah.
It's wild. So to help us break down each platform
Okay.
and like what it all means for you listening,
Yeah.
we've got an AI expert with us.
Hey, everyone.
So let's jump right in.
Okay, sounds good.
At Peak, what's the deal with that one?
So Epic is it's a content machine,
Yep.
basically, but it's specifically for real estate.
Got it.
Like it's got 12 different AI tools
Yep.
that can help you with like everything.
Okay.
From writing amazing property descriptions to coming up with killer social media posts.
So like imagine never having to stress over writing those again.
Exactly. Like
Yeah.
think about all the time you could save.
That's huge.
Right.
Okay, so then there's Tidio.
Yeah.
What's that one all about?
So it's more than just like chat bots.
Okay.
It's got these customizable widgets that you can like
Yeah.
easily put on your website, like if you're using WordPress or Shopify or whatever.
Yeah.
But the really cool part is the analytics.
Oh, interesting.
Like you can see exactly what's working and what's not.
So you can like tweak things as you go.
Exactly. You can figure out what your clients are really responding to.
So you're not just guessing.
No.
You're using like hard data.
Data-driven decisions.
Love it. Okay. And then we have Right Homes.
Okay.
This one seems like it could be a lifesaver
Oh, absolutely.
for anyone who hates writing marketing stuff.
It's a game changer.
So what's so special about it?
It's got like 33 different AI tools. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
And they cover like everything.
Everything.
Emails, newsletters, blog posts, social media captions.
It's like having a whole team of writers.
It really is.
Wow. Okay, so what about Chat Fuel?
Okay, so Chat Fuel is all about automation.
Okay.
Like it takes care of all the little things.
Yeah, the day-to-day stuff.
Exactly. It can answer questions, schedule viewings,
Mm-hmm.
even manage customer engagement.
That's like having an AI assistant.
It kind of is.
That's wild.
Right.
And then finally we have Likely AI.
Yeah.
What makes this one a must-have?
This one's all about finding the best leads.
Okay.
It uses AI and property data to figure out who's most likely to sell.
Whoa, that's powerful.
Right? It lets
Yeah.
you focus your marketing on the people who are actually ready to sell.
So you're not wasting time on people who are just browsing.
Exactly.
So it's like having a crystal ball
Kind of.
that tells you who's ready to make a move. That's incredible.
It's pretty cool.
So we've got Epic for content creation,
Mm-hmm.
Tilio for client communication and engagement.
Yep.
Right. Homes for all your writing needs.
Right.
Chat Fuel for automation and daily tasks.
Mm-hmm.
And Likely.ai for finding those hot leads.
It's a lot to take in.
It is.
But it's exciting stuff.
It really is. It's like we're at this turning point in real estate.
Yeah. Things are changing fast.
They are.
And these tools, they're not just like futuristic gadgets.
Right.
They're here now and they're ready to be used.
So as you're listening to this, think about your own business.
Yeah.
What are your biggest challenges?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you want to grow?
Good questions.
Which of these platforms like really speaks to you?
Yeah.
Could Epi help you step up your listings?
Mm-hmm.
Would Tidio's analytics give you an edge in your marketing?
Possibly.
Could Right Homes free up your time so you can focus on closing deals?
Definitely.
Or maybe Chat Fuel could streamline your day-to-day operations.
Could be.
And what about Likely AI? Could that help you find the absolute best leads?
It's definitely possible.
The power is in your hands.
It really is.
And the potential impact on your business is huge.
No doubt.
So yeah, those are 5 AI platforms that are revolutionizing real estate.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive,
It was fun.
and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.